Hi there, I'm Sue Resnick and we have a different salad today. This one, I might have shown it to you before, but there's nothing wrong with bringing it back up. It's a good one. This is a salad, it's called Shopski, or at least that's how I learned to pronounce it. And it's a recipe that I got in the Czech Republic. A number of years ago, like 15 years ago, I had an opportunity to go and stay for a couple weeks. And this is a salad that they served all the time. In fact, when you went to a restaurant and ordered salad, this is what you got. Unlike in the United States, when you order a salad, you get a salad that's made up of lettuce and then other things on top of it. In the Czech Republic, when you order a salad, what you get is a chopped salad made of cucumber, tomatoes, and peppers. And it's really interesting because every home that we saw there had a little garden outside, and they all grew tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers so they could have fresh salad every day. So I'm going to show you how it's done. It's very easy. You just cut up equal portions of cucumber, tomato, and green pepper. And I have a number of the little baby cucumbers available, which are really nice because you don't have to deal with the seeds. And I quartered them lengthwise. And I'm just cutting them into a medium dice. I'll show you about nice little chunks there like that. And they go very quickly. Now I do have a funny story to tell about this, and I'll tell you the story while I'm cutting up my vegetables, okay? When we went over there, we ate dinner every night at this nice little family restaurant. And every night, or every lunch, whatever it was, I always tried to order a salad. Now, I was trying to get a salad with lettuce like I was used to. And I'd look at the recipe, or the menu. You could tell where the salads were, and I just ordered the top one, and it came, and it was this tomato, cucumber, and pepper salad. Well, it was okay, but it wasn't really what I wanted. So the next night I go down and I see a different one on the menu. So I ordered that one. And the next night it was cucumber, tomato, and pepper. And this time they put a little cheese on top of it. Well, that still isn't what I wanted. And the next night I ordered the next salad. And out came cucumber, tomato, green pepper, and something else on top of it. I don't remember what else it was. But it turned out that every time that's what I got, cucumber, tomato, and green pepper. And I was really getting frustrated because I just wanted a nice lettuce salad. That's what I wanted. And someone else in our group got her salad delivered, and it was lettuce, and it had a white ranch dressing on it. I'm like, how'd you get that? She goes, I just ordered it off the menu. But she didn't remember what she ordered, or she didn't know what she ordered anyhow. She got it. So I told the waitress, and of course we had somebody translating for us too. I said, I want the salad with the white dressing. So finally, out comes my bowl with my salad in it, and it was cucumber, tomato, and peppers with whipped cream. Apparently it was lost in translation. They didn't know what I was talking about, and I didn't know how to get them to understand what I wanted. So I ate it. It's kind of weird, but you know, you got to eat it. You need something to eat. And I don't know how that lady got that other salad, how that worked out, but it did. Okay, I'm getting my green peppers chopped up here. I'm trying to cut them about the same size as the cucumber, just so that they all end up in an even size in the salad. All right, that's 1/2. What I'm using is 1 whole pepper, 2 medium tomatoes, and 3 baby cucumbers. It just seems to work out to be a good proportion that way based on the size. And you know, I did enjoy the Czech Republic. I thought the food there was delicious. It was funny because we went with a bunch of college-age students, and they weren't very happy because they just wanted their familiar McDonald's and pizzas and things like that. But for those of us who are adults in the group, we really enjoyed the food. It was very well made and very, very tasty. Just nice dishes. It was before I was plant-based, but I will tell you, they had the best chocolate there that I've ever had. I think I gained like 3 pounds that week just eating chocolate. It was so good. Never had chocolate like that, ever. Even the imported stuff that we get here in the States wasn't anything like the chocolate there. And it was just their cheap grocery store chocolate. And it was fabulous. Okay, my knife needs sharpening, so I'm pulling out my serrated knife with the little rough edges on it, and that's going to allow me to get through my tomato very easily. Zip, zip, zip. Just like that. I love it. It turns out that this is actually one of my husband's favorite salads. He likes it when I make this, and it holds up well that he can pack it and take it for lunches at work. There we go. Almost done. Hope you don't mind hanging out while I'm doing this. Doesn't take long. You can see it doesn't take long. And it's a very easy vinaigrette that goes over the top. And just like in the Czech Republic, you can add other things to it. I don't remember the other things that they put on there. I just remember every day it was the same base with something else tossed on top. I think when they put the cheese on it was good, but I don't eat cheese anymore either, so. All right, there we go. We've got all our veggies in there. Just like that. And this is the dressing that I'm putting on. That's my Instant Pot beeping. We'll give it a minute. It beeps like 10 times. It's a lot. There we go. So this is the dressing, and what it is 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Okay, just 1 tablespoon. And then 1 teaspoon, the small spoon, of maple syrup, and 3 tablespoons of water. So what I did is I put my tablespoon of vinegar in and filled it up to the 1/4 cup line with water, because that's the same as 3 tablespoons. So I've got a 1/4 cup of dressing, and just that little teaspoon of maple syrup in there. It kind of just takes some of the sharpness out of it, and then you just pour that over. It's a very simple vinaigrette. You can use this for a lot of things too, this simple dressing. And then just give it a little stir. And that's it. That's all there is to it. That's simple, isn't it? You can always add fresh herbs if you have some herbs from your garden you want to put in. You could put in some thyme, some dill, some oregano. Any of those fresh herbs would be tasty, and their chives would be very nice. In fact, I have some chives in the fridge. I think I'll put some chives in when we're done. So I hope that sounds like a yummy recipe for you. A nice fresh salad from the farmer's market. All right, see you next time.